Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Gumshoe skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with her eye. So we're just going to draw two curves like this. 1, 2. Okay, and then from here we can add in on the corner here, just add in a slight line. And then now we can draw in the eyeball itself. So we're going to draw one circle in here and another one in here. And then I'm going to shade it in. I'm going to try to leave a little bit of highlight so that it doesn't look so creepy. Okay, so that's going to be the eye, and for her glasses we're just going to draw a circle right around it. Okay, so start at the top, just kind of go around the eye on the top, and then come back down and finish up the circle. And then from here, we're going to add in the bridge part, so I'm just going to draw a slightly thicker line there. Okay, so we're going to come down for her nose, so around the corner here, just come down, you make two little marks, and then we're just going to close it off with a slight angle. Okay, and then from here, we're going to come down for her mouth, so we're just going to draw one line across first, give her a slight smile, and then we're going to draw the lower lip, just draw one line in the middle, and then now we just kind of connect it to the corners. It's a little bit hard with this thick Sharpie. Okay, and then for the upper lip, one line again, and then we're just gonna connect that to the corners. Okay, so from here let's draw in the side of the face. So just come up here on the side of the glasses, just kind of come down and stop right around here in the mouth area. And once you reach down here, now we're gonna curve it in. Okay, all the way down, and we're just gonna close it off for a chin. Okay, so once you have that, now let's go back up and finish up the hat. So we're just gonna come across here first, right across from the glasses, and then we're gonna extend the line. Okay, and then on the top here, we'll draw in another line, and then we'll just connect this to the corner. So then for the hat itself, we're gonna start out here, right? So it's a little bit wider. So we're just gonna go up with a slant, and then just kind of dip it back down and go back up. All right, and then for the details on the hat, there's gonna be one line here, and then we can add in a little bit of wrinkle here, so a bracket on each side. All right, so let's finish up the face, the head, with the hair. So we're gonna come down here, just draw one little curve like that for her hair, and then her ear is gonna be right behind it, so I'm just gonna draw a smaller curve. And then on the other side, this one's a little bit tricky, but start down here, we're gonna draw one curve going out this way. And then now we're gonna start back up here, so I'm just gonna draw her hair. So one, and then we're gonna draw another loop here. And then this one I'm gonna start in here, just kind of curve out, and then I'm just gonna hook it back to that. So this is one giant clump. And then in here I'll add in some strands, so just adding a couple of lines like this. Okay, and then here is the little, right here we're just gonna draw another curve. That's a little tie. And then right here, the tip of a hair, so it's almost bracket, and just kind of pinch it in. So now let's draw in her neck. So come down here, and the line's already here, so we don't have to draw that. And then we're just gonna pinch it in for the shirt collar to the center, and then come back up here. This is gonna be a collar. Okay, come down, so it's gonna be right here, come down, and it's gonna be behind the hair, so we're just gonna go up. Now let's continue on with the upper body, and right here on the shoulder, we're just gonna come out. And this part here is already out here, so there's nothing to draw. So now for the sides, we can come down straight. So right around here, come down straight. You're gonna pinch it all the way in to his waist, her waist. It's a little bit higher up because she's got this clothing here, so I'm just gonna cut it off early, and then let's extend this slightly so it doesn't look so weird. So we're gonna curve it, and it's just kind of flare it out. So this is gonna be your hip area. So now we're just gonna close it off again. All right, and then let's go back up and finish this part up right here. On the shoulder strap here, we're gonna come down and just curve it out. So this is coming down and this is gonna curve out. And then for the chest area, we're gonna continue this curve. Just kind of curve and come back in. Okay, and now we can draw in the tie. So this one's easy. Right in the middle here, we can just draw in a little knot. And then draw 2 lines from the corner going up. And then 1 more line inside. Okay, and then for the tie itself, so we're just gonna come down. Just kind of close it off with an angle. Okay, and let's add in, she's got a little badge right here. So we're just gonna come down and draw a rectangle. And then on the inside, it's gonna be a star. So let's draw an angle and then another one. 2 more on the bottom. And let's see, she's got some buttons here. So right here, we're gonna draw 2. And then this one's behind, so we can only see 1. Okay, so now let's move on to the arms. So here's the armpit. Okay, here's the shoulder. Curve down, and she's not gonna be very muscular, so biceps are gonna be kind of straight. So here's the elbow, and then we're gonna come out. We're gonna close it off. Here's your cuff, it's kind of folded up, so we're gonna extend it, and then we're gonna pinch it back in and close it. And then to continue on with the lower arm, so we're just gonna come straight and close it off here for her wrist. And then for her hand, come down, and here's her thumb. 1 line slanting down, and then let's see the back of the hand. And now for a finger, I'm just gonna draw 1, just kind of curve it. And then the other one's gonna start here. I'm just gonna tuck it in so we can't see it. Okay, and then lastly, a little detail on the glove. All right, so it's a little bit tricky right here with the cuff. All right, so let's move on to the other side. So here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder coming down. Biceps, and this one's gonna be straight because she's gonna be holding a pistol. So we're gonna flare out, close it, then we're gonna extend it slightly for the cuff again, pinch it back in and just close it off. And then now to finish off the arm, close it off, and then let's draw in the grip for the pistol. So we're gonna come down, your thumb's gonna come down, just hook it, and then here's your palm. Okay, just come out here. Here's the trigger finger. And then now we'll add in 3 more fingers down here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, here's the grip. Come out. Just gonna come down and close it off. And then we'll close off her palm here. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky. So here's now for the gun. So we're gonna continue this line, just go straight down. We're just gonna give it a simple little pistol here. So just almost like a rectangle. We're gonna slant it at the end here. So you can draw your own gun if you like. So start here, come down, just curve it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail right here. And you can add in a little bit of sight. Here's the hammer on the back. And let's finish off the grip here. And I'm just gonna add a little silencer here. So I'm just gonna extend it 1 section. And then I'm just gonna draw another rectangle. So this one's easy. Okay, so that's the pistol, and let's finish up her leg. So this one's gonna be pretty easy. She's wearing pants. So we're gonna come down the middle. Let's draw a little mark there, and then now we're gonna continue this curve. I'm gonna come back in. So same thing here. Come in. And then her knees, just give it a little bit of bracket right here. Okay, so let's go on to the other side first before we go down. So we're gonna come out, pinch it back in, curve, and then again the knee, just two brackets like this. I mean, it's almost the same line, but I just want to show you where the knee is. Okay, so now to move down, so we're gonna curve out slightly. Okay, so her pants are a little bit different. We're gonna pinch it back in, but it's gonna flare back out. Okay, so flare back out, and then we're gonna close it off with one big dome shape here. Close it off, and the sole is a little bit thicker this time. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So come out slightly, go back in, and then go back out. Okay, dome shape, all the way out, close it off, and then pretty thick soles on the bottom. So that's pretty much it for her pants. And just lastly, there's her little camera right here on the side. So we're just gonna draw in a rectangle right here, and here's the lens part, and we can add in a little hook right here, just as if it's connecting to the belt. And that is it for this Gumshoe skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.